Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I package my locust beans, which is iru. In Nigeria we call it iru. So I'm going to show you how we package it and keep for a long period. So I want to keep it inside this rubber, and this is iru woro and iru pete. This is locust beans. Okay, this is locust beans, iru, ogiri, dawa dawa. Okay, in English is locust beans. So this locust beans, I bought it for Nigeria market. So this is iru pete. We use it to prepare okra soup, ewedu, vegetables. Some people like locust beans like this, the one that is not soft. This one is soft, so this is the hard one. This one, you see the difference of this. People use this one to prepare vegetable soup or inside soup, stew for rice. So the seller, I've already had the salt. So as you see like this, the locust beans, the seller has already had the salt on it so that it will not spoil. If you don't have the salt, the iru, it will spoil. It will bring maggots out. So the salt is there like this. So I want to store it inside this rubber for a long period. It's good to eat locust beans inside our soup, or you can eat it like this. But this one is mixed with salt. If you want to use it for soup, don't add the salt inside your soup again unless you test am and the salt is not rich like that. So you can add more salt. So locust beans is good for so many things. Brain, eyes, your eyes will clear. For people who like locust beans, when you eat it, you see that your eyes will be clear. All our soup we always use locust beans. Locust beans is very good for our body, our health. So here is our dawa. Thank you very much, locust beans ogiri. Thank you very much for watching. As it is like this, so I will keep it inside fridge and be using it small. Thank you very much for watching. See you all will be using our locust beans to prepare delicious soup. Bye bye. Mwah.